Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss the largest small finance bank. We will do a detailed analysis which includes the financial analysis of the company, and we will see how company has performed in the past few years and what is the potential available in this small finance bank. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update on value buying opportunity, and you will learn how to do a detailed analysis and identify the potential gain in those value buying opportunities. So let's start our discussion. So today we are going to discuss AU Small Finance Bank. So AU Small Finance Bank is the largest small finance bank in India. So let's analyze the financials of AU Small Finance and see how the company has performed in recent past. So market capitalization of AU Small Finance Bank is 35,484 crore. The ROCE of company is 8.99%. That is a good ROCE, and return on equity is 22.3%. So that is a healthy return on equity company is giving. The profit of previous 12 months stands at 1,130 crore. So that is a good net profit they have posted in last 12 months, and the free cash flow available with the company is around 5,000 crores. So that is a healthy cash flow available with the company. And the two most important parameter, that is a sales growth and the profit growth, in the last 5 years, they have shown an exponential growth in last 5 years. So sales growth in the last 5 years stands at 37.4%, and the profit of last 5 years stands at 40.8%. So the company has shown a consistent growth in last 5 years. As far as the quarterly result is concerned, the revenue as on December 2021 stands at 1,496 crore. That is the highest ever revenue which they have posted in recent quarter. And the net profit of December 2021 stands at 302 crore. And in last 12 quarters, if you can see, they have shown a consistent growth in terms of sales and the net profit. They have posted a highest ever net profit in December 2020, which was 479 crore. And in the last 4 quarters, the net profit has slightly decreased, but even they have shown a consistent stagnant net profit in the last 4 quarters. But if you talk about the last 3 quarters from the June 2021, the net profit has increased substantially from 203 crore to 302 crore as on December 2021. So that is a very good sign. Now, as far as the profit and loss statement is concerned, the revenue in March 2010 was just 53 crore. It has 10x their revenue in last 10 years. Currently, as on March 2021, the revenue stands at approx 5,000 crore. And the trailing 12-month revenue, if you can see, it stands at 5,547 crore. So they have consistently shown a good growth in terms of revenue and net profit. Now, as far as the net profit is concerned, the net profit in March 2010 was just 12 crore, and as on March 2021, the net profit stands at 1,170 crore. So again, they have multifold their net profit in last 10 years. So as these small finance banks are catering to different client base compared to the large banks in India, they were able to exponentially grow their revenue and net profit in recent past. And these small finance bank has got their licenses in last 5 years only, mainly in 2016. Now, as far as the balance sheet is concerned, again, they have increased their reserves in the last 10 years. So in March 2010, the reserves was only 26 crore. And currently, as on March 2021, the reserves stands at 5,860 crore. So they have consistently improved their reserves, and the lending capacity of AU Small Finance Bank stands at 43,000 crore as on March 2021. Now, as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, as on December 2021, promoter holds 28.33%, FII holds 33.21%, DII holds 20%, and public holds 18.46%. So in last 12 quarters, the public holding has been decreased from 29.63% in March 2019 and currently stands at 18.46% as on December 2021. And the FII holding has been increased from 23.76% to 33.21% in last 12 quarters. In addition to that, DII also has increased their shareholding from 14% to 20% in last 12 quarters. So that is a very good sign, because most of the shareholding of AU Small Finance Bank is currently in the strong hands. And even if we can take the bifurcation of public holdings, that is 18.46, other HNIs and DII holds 3.22% plus 1.74% plus 1.05%, equivalent to 6%. So currently the public holds only 12% of AU Small Finance Bank. So public holds the least shareholding in AU Small Finance Bank, and this is a very good sign in terms of shareholding. So the company has shown a consistent growth, which we have already seen in the financials. So although the fundamental and financials of this company is great, because of the recent market correction, the stock is available at a very good valuation that we are going to analyze in our technical analysis. So this is a chart of AU Small Finance Bank, and AU Small Finance Bank was listed in the year of 2017. After listing, it has posted the all-time high price level of 1214. And after that, because of the COVID, the stock has given a huge correction, and the stock has corrected by 40 to 50%. So currently, if you can see, the stock is trading at a strong support price level of 1103. After giving the small breakout from the price level of 1103, the stock has taken a multiple support at the same price level. These are the support which stock has taken in recent past, and because of that only it is a strong support line. After a huge correction due to COVID, the stock has given a huge rally, and it has given a return of 262% in just 1 year. So after giving the huge return, the stock has went into the consolidation phase in the last 1 year. And after posting the all-time high price level of 1423, the stock has currently corrected by few percentage due to the overall market correction. So the stock has corrected by 21% in recent past, and because of that only, this is a huge opportunity available in AU Small Finance. So if we can remove this drawing, and let's analyze the technical chart pattern and see how much potential is available in AU Small Finance. So if we can take the current price level up to the all-time high price level, there is a small potential available of 26%. So this is not the only target which is available in AU Small Finance. In addition to this small target of 26%, there is a chart pattern which has formed in AU Small Finance Bank. So AU Small Finance Bank has formed a cup with handle pattern recently. So this is the neckline of price level 1210, and this is a cup, and this is a handle. So it has formed a handle, and after it has given a small breakout also, but it went into the consolidation phase and currently available at a very good valuation. So on basis of our cup with handle pattern, if we can take the depth of this cup with handle pattern up to the neckline, take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our second target of price level 2049. So on basis of cup with handle pattern, from current price level up to the price level of 2049, there is a direct potential available of 80%. So that is a huge target which is currently available in AU Small Finance Bank. So even if it takes 2 years to achieve this technical target, that is a very good potential available in AU Small Finance Bank. Basis of our cup with handle pattern, we have already seen the target. Now if we can talk about the intermediate target, so in addition to this big cup with handle pattern, there is one more cup with handle pattern which has formed in AU Small Finance Bank. So this is the neckline of price level 1353. So on basis of this neckline and the strong resistance point, it has formed a small cup with handle pattern. So this is the cup and this is the handle which has formed. And because of market correction, it has given a retracement from this price level. But again, this cup with handle will form into the complex cup with handle. So this is a second handle which is under the formation, and on basis of this complex cup with handle pattern, if we can take the depth of this complex cup with handle pattern and take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our intermediate and the third target of price level 1820. And from current price level up to the price level of 1820, there is a direct potential available of 60%. So I have changed the color of the second cup with handle pattern in yellow, so you can easily differentiate the big cup with handle pattern in white color with a potential target of 2049, and the second is small cup with handle pattern with a potential gain of 1820. Let me repeat again all the targets for you. So on basis of the all-time high price level, there is a direct potential available of 26% with a price level of 1423. Our intermediate target, that is a second target on basis of complex cup with handle pattern. So the target is 1820 with a potential gain of 60%. And the third target on basis of our cup with handle pattern, the big one, Our target is 2049 with a potential gain of 80%. There are multiple technical targets available in AU Small Finance Bank. And as I already told, I am an investor and buyer in AU Small Finance Bank, but this is not a buying or selling recommendation. You have learned how to do a detailed analysis of any stock and how to identify the potential gain through our fundamental financials and technical analysis. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.